Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone screen is not rotating. Don't worry, I'll show you a couple of simple ways to fix it. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Check orientation. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Look for the portrait orientation lock icon. If this icon is turned on, your screen rotation will be locked. Simply tap the icon to turn it off. Once it says Portrait Orientation Lock Off, go back to your app and try rotating your phone again. In most cases, your screen should now rotate normally. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. If the rotation still isn't working, try restarting your iPhone. To do this, press the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until you see the power off slider. Turn off your iPhone and then turn it on again. When your phone restarts, check again if the screen rotation is working. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.